Good evening, my beloved companions. Almost anyone can make a currency or shitcoin on Solana, make up a story, order ads, and sell it, and it will have some demand, although a short one. As former Binance CEO Chao-Ping Zhao, CZ, once stated, it is crucial to maintain your faith in technology and your investments in the coins in your portfolio, even in the face of these highs and meme coins that offer thousand-fold returns. To put it another way, you shouldn't betray your portfolio by trading it in for a shady currency if you have researched it and understand its technology. This frequently results in monetary losses. I know folks who sold their legal projects to get Trumpy tokens when they were already worth $60, even though they had well-structured portfolios. As they say, you know what occurred after they essentially bought at the top. They regret it now, regretting not holding on to their assets, like as XRP, which they had earlier, bought for 50-60 cents. They now understand that waiting instead of embarking on such an excursion would have been wiser. Consequently, some of them bought back DOT or other assets, but the overall value and quantity of their portfolio holdings have dropped. Steer clear of these errors since they might cost you a lot of money. Reallocating to other assets in an attempt to average down losses frequently sends investors into a negative cycle that may eventually result in complete liquidation. At the moment, market mood is neutral. As many of you have asked, we will examine both XRP and XLM after a brief pause. Keep an eye out. Analysis of XRP. I wouldn't argue that XRP appears completely bearish on a daily basis. Beginning around $2.66, a large player's interest was evident. This big investor bought a lot of XRP and is still holding it inside the range I indicated a week ago. $3.20, $3.30, and $2.90. Until its future is determined, I think XRP will stay in this area for some time. I am certain that XRP has a bright future because of the anticipated expansion of Bitcoin and the fact that the majority of altcoins have not yet realized their full potential. It won't be long before the $3.30 resistance is broken and the price consolidates above it. I think XRP will eventually surpass its record high of $3.40. It simply requires patience. Much like investors have been waiting since 2022 for XRP to break out of its established price range of about 50 cents. Analysis of XLM examining Stellar XLM on a daily basis, he has a completely different chart. There isn't any obvious indication of significant buying activity, unlike XRP. Compare Stellar's daily candle with XRP's. Stellar was not actively acquired, but XRP was. Stellar doesn't show the same kind of robust accumulation as XRP, which has a huge market value that takes hundreds of millions of dollars to shift. Consequently, XLM continues to trade below the 50-day moving average, making it more pessimistic than XRP. Stellar may have a correction down to 26 cents if it is unable to break above this moving average in the near future. This is a technical analysis-based conclusion rather than merely a biased opinion. Even though technical analysis isn't always accurate, it's evident from the present comparison of XRP and Stellar that XRP is in a stronger position. The situation is identical on a weekly basis. Stellar has not even approached its all-time high of about 80 cents on Binance and is currently trading far below its local high. XRP, on the other hand, is far nearer to its prior top. HBR valuation. We observe a 1,000% spike in HBR on Bybit from 4 cents to 40 cents. Wicks on the chart currently point to selling pressure, which might cause the price to drop to 18 cents. HBR, XLM, and XRP. The strongest is XRP, while HBR is 23% below its peak, and Stellar is much further behind at almost 50% below its peak. It is within 9% of its all-time high. BAR's market cap is now higher than it was at its previous all-time high, according to CoinMarketCap. This implies that additional tokens have been made available for use, lowering the price in spite of a larger market value. I don't think HBAR is a poor project, and there were decent opportunities to accumulate from a trading standpoint. But it's important to know what you're purchasing. Even though I've always believed that XRP had a lot of promise, I moved my money to XLM at about 9 cents in August at the last minute. I have no regrets about that. SEC and rules. Some see the SEC's recent creation of a task force devoted to crypto as a move in the right direction for banks. The SEC case against Ripple hasn't seen any noteworthy developments, though. I mentioned yesterday in my Telegram channel that there are now more than 6,052,000 XRP holders. The Ripple litigation is still pending, as evidenced by the fact that it has been relocated to the appellate court portion of the court's website. According to analysts, XRP might hit $4 in the coming 7 days. If we look at the chart, we can see that there was buying interest and then sideways consolidation. There should be another bullish impetus soon. In order to ensure that only strong hands remained in the transaction, exchanges simply manipulated the price during the recent dip in order to liquidate leveraged long holdings. I genuinely think that XRP will climb eventually, perhaps not too long from now. According to Pantera Capital, the SEC is also interacting with the cryptocurrency sector more. However, with just 9 days since Trump's inauguration, it is too soon to anticipate regulatory certainty. By spring or summer, we should know more about SEC proceedings and crypto laws. Let's wait and see how things work out till then. Crypto Facts has been this. Remember to sign up for the channel. Be careful, and I'll see you soon.